guys, and welcome back to my channel. I told you it wouldn't be 9 months till the next video. So today we're going to be making some really cute and just amazing school supplies, and all I've got to say is I hope you enjoy them. Let's go. Ooh. So for this DIY, all you need is washi tape, a paintbrush and some paint, and a notebook. So the first thing we're going to do is cover the bottom half of the notebook in tape. Now that that's done, we're going to start the painting process. I left the notebook free because it looked nice. So pink paint, just cover the whole thing. You might need to do a few layers. And whilst that was drying, I decided to do some decoration near the notebook text. Just some simple stripes.
Music.
Now I'm gonna, once the other paint is dried, I'm gonna draw a nice, really cute face with one of those weird,
incredible music,
really cute mouths.
Amazing music, incredible music, music.
I ended up making it into a cat because it looked so cute. Then once that's dried a little, get the back of your brush and get a little spot of white paint for the eyes to make it look even cuter. All you need for this is some paint, some marker pens, etc. and a clear pencil case which I bought for 50p. Yes, I repeat, 50p. First, I'm just going to decide my design by drawing it in whiteboard marker, and what's good about the whiteboard marker is you can easily rub it off, as you can see me doing in this video. Now that I've decided on the rough version of my design, I'm going to rub that off and then get my paint and draw the rough outline and fill it in. I'm doing an owl, obviously, so I started with the basic shape and then waited for that to dry. Then I got some white paint for the belly. It kind of blended in because it didn't completely dry, but oh well. And I also got some gold for the horn.
Music. Yes, music.
Here you can see putting the gold
incredible
horn
music.
To make it really magical. I love this gold paint just because it's so amazing. All you need to do now is just wait for that to dry. Then get a marker pen or permanent or non-permanent, it doesn't matter, and draw a cute face on it. Then I did some magic twinkles in the same gold paint from earlier to make it look even better. There I just did a white streak across the bottom, but not touching the narwhal. This is where we're going to put our pun. Once it dries, get another marker and just write your pun. I put the pun, "What? I'm just whaley cute." But you can do any other whale-related puns. So using the same notebook from earlier, all you need to do is get some card and strip it into 6 sections, but the last one split into for Saturday and Sunday since they won't be as busy.
Music. Music.
Then just cut these out, or you can make them into cute shapes if you want.
Yes, music.
And just stick them on the back cover of your book.
Music.
Or front, it doesn't really matter. Then just write the day on each bit, so leaving space for you to do writing during the week. And then you can just put post-it notes on it and stuff to make it even better. So this is a really easy one using some pencils, and all you do is get some washi tape and put it around the pencils. It's really easy, but it'll make sure everyone knows that they're yours. Repeat this over and over. Yes, it does take a while, but it'll be worth it. You can even write stuff on the washi tape afterwards if you want, or use different coloured washi tapes. It doesn't really matter. And that's literally it.
Music.
And then you can put them in your pencil case from earlier.
Music. Music. Yes, music. Incredible. Music.
This one's really easy. All you need some scissors and some washi tape and some acrylics. First step is to put washi tape around various areas, covering back and front, so you have areas for each colour to go. My first colour is gold, and I'm just painting in the spaces. It doesn't matter if it goes on the washi tape because you're going to pull that off in a bit. But if you want to keep the washi tape on once you finish the painting, that's alright. I thought it looked quite cool. this on both sides as well. Front and back,
music,
left and right. Do it all around, but not on the metal
music,
bit.
music. Yes,
Even
music.
do it on the inside of the scissors.
Incredible music.
Once you've done this, just leave it to dry and then take off the washi tape. You can even leave it like this, but I added some blue paint in the spaces. You can also do this in any colours you want, as long as they go together, really. And you're done. Easy as that.
Music.
Hope you enjoyed that, guys. I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully maybe next time I'll do some drawing. But I hope you've enjoyed the back to school vibes, because you know, halfway through the summer holidays now. Excuse me. But yeah, see you next time.